Welcome back, children. Today we will do practice time from 101 page. We are continuing our chapter halves and quarters. That means fraction lesson. Here we have given some pictures or diagrams and we have to find the fraction of this colored part of these pictures. First question is, what part of the whole is colored, and right below each shape. What is the first shape? It's a rectangle and it is divided into two equal triangles. This rectangle is divided into two equal triangles. So we can write half of a rectangle. That's so 1 by 2. Half we can write 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. The next one is also a rectangle, but here it is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts are divided again into 4 rectangles, and among that two colors, two boxes, two small rectangles are colored in green color, green or blue, green color. So we can write 2 by 4. This is also actually half of this rectangle. It is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of that 4 parts are colored. So we can write this fraction as 2 by 4. This is also a half. If we reduce this fraction into reduced form, we will get 1 by 2. 2 divided by 4 also we can write 1 by 2. But here in fraction we have to write 2 by 4. Means total 4 parts are there. Out of that 2 parts are colored. Now question B. Color that part of the shape which is written below. Here we have given 6 different shapes and it is divided into different parts, and here we are required to color the given fractions. The first one we have to divide into half. Total how many parts are there? 4 parts are there. Out of that half part we have to color. So which part, how many parts we have to color? 2 parts we have to give the color. That I will show you. See, the first one is we have to color half part of the 4 equal parts of this first picture. See, this is the first picture. I have showed here how to color half of these 4 equal parts. 2 parts we have colored. Now question number 2 is 3 by 4th. Here it is a circle. 1/4 part they have separated from this circle, and the remaining parts are 3/4 part. That big portion is 3/4 part. This part we have to color. This is the colored part of the 3/4 part of the circle. Now question 3.1. 3/4 part of this hexagon. So but it is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of these 3 parts we have to color. 3 by 4th is colored here. These are the 3 parts and we have colored the 3 parts of this hexagon. Now another one is a rectangle. It is divided into 4 equal triangles. Out of that one triangle, 1 by 4th, that means one triangle we have to color. That is the colored portion of this 1/4 part of this rectangle. Now the question 5th one. Half of this rectangle. So how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 equal divisions are there. To show the half of 6, divide 6 by 2 equals 3 parts. So we have to color 3 parts of this rectangle. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts here I have colored. The next one is 3/4 of this rectangle. First of all, we have to divide that rectangle into 4 equal parts. Out of that, 3 parts we have to give color, and 1 by 4th part will be uncolored. These are the 3/4 part of this rectangle. Now the question C. Cut in half. Here we have given 3 pictures. First one is a bird, next is a star, and third one is a pumpkin. These 3 pictures we have to divide into equal halves. Draw a line which divides these shapes into half. To divide this bird into equal halves, what can we do? We have to draw a line from its head to tail. That means one side one wing and the another side also another wing. So from head it will divide into equal halves. If we draw a line from this from top to bottom, from head to tail, we will get equal half of this bird. So you have to draw a line from middle of this bird. We will get half of this picture. Now second one is a star. To divide this star into equal parts, two halves, we can divide this in this way. See, this is a line, and here two full tails of the star, and one half we will get. So 2.5 tails. So 2.5 parts. Here also 2.5 parts. So this is a equal halves of a star. Now another one is, in another way also, if you draw another line from here, this side, you will get a equal half of this star. Anyway you can divide. That is your wish. You can draw anyway. The next one is pumpkin. We have to cut this pumpkin into two equal halves. How can we cut this pumpkin? See, from top to bottom, if we draw a line, we can divide this pumpkin into two equal halves. So now practice time. Exercise is continuing. Started from 101 page that we have completed. Now page number 102. Question D. Color half the number of the shapes as shown here. Here, how many boxes are showed here? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 small rectangles are given. Out of these 8 rectangles, half of the rectangles we have to color. What is the half of 8? 8. To find the half of 8, 8 divided by 2. That is 4. So 4 parts or 4 rectangles we have to color. Then that first one is given or has done already. Now we have to do the next shape. The next shape is circles. Total, how many circles are there? Count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles in 3 lines. 3 horizontal lines. So 6 3s are 18. Total 18 circles are there. Half of this 18 we have to give color. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So how many circles we have to give color? 9 circles we have to give color. That I will show you. That is your wish. Which circles you want to give color? You can give 9 circles in from any line. Okay, I have done here this way. Now the question third one in this line is flowers. Total 10 flowers are there. First line 5 flowers, second line also 5 flowers. Total 10 flowers. Half of 10 is 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So 5 flowers we have to give color. That is your wish. Alternate flowers from first line or continue 5 flowers from first or second line. Anyway you can give color. I have given the first line full colored. These are the half of 10. So all the halves we have found. First one, half of 8 is 4. Half of 18 is 9 circles. And see, count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So half of 8, 9. And half of 10, 5 flowers. All halves we have found and given the colors. Now the question E. In question E, 3 different shapes given. From that shapes, we have to color 1/4 of these shapes. First one, there are 4 figures are there. 1/4 of 4. 1/4 of 4 is 1. So from this we have to give one figure. Color, we have to give color for one figure. That is the first one I have given. Now the second one is total 8 shapes are there. 8 triangle, not 8 shapes given. Out of that, 1/4 of 8 is 2. 1/4 of 8 is 2. So 2 shapes you have to give color. And third one is that boxes. 4 boxes are there. 4 square boxes are there. Cubes. So we can say cubes. 4 cubes are there. 1/4 of 4 is 1. So we have to give one box color. So in this way we have found halves and quarters. Halves of some numbers and quarters of some numbers. Now the last question in this page is question F. Match the colored part as shown. Here we have given 4 pictures with different fractions, and that fractions are given in spelling as well as in the fraction form also written. We have to find out which halves or which parts or fractions are there. Find out and match the 3 boxes together. First one is we know that 4 parts are there. Out of that, 2 parts equally colored. So that, what is the meaning of this? This is 2 by 4. That means half of this picture. So take that line to half, spelling, and which fraction is showing half? Half we can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the fraction form of, or representing half as 1 by 2. So take that line from first picture to half, and from there they have already done it. Half is showing this way. In this way, the remaining 3 fractions we have to match. Now second one is 4 equal parts. Out of that, 1 part colored. That means 1 part out of 4 is quarter part. That means 1 by 4. So take that line from that picture, take the line to quarter, and from quarter to, which is the fraction form showing? 1 by 4. From quarter to box, that 1/4 is the quarter part showing. This is the second picture's match we have done. Now third one is whole part. 4 equal parts, all the parts are colored. So it is whole. The whole part is showing. So take the line from their whole, that is that last one, and from there, which part is showing? 4 by 4 is the whole part. So we have to take the line from their whole, and that line is going to 4 by 4. That is the whole part. So third picture also completed. The last one. Now last one is out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are colored. That is 3 by 4th part of the picture is colored. So what is the, in spelling, how can we read it? 3 quarters. This is 3 quarters are colored in this picture. So take that line from that picture to 3 quarters, and 3 quarters are showing this way, 3 by 4th. 3 quarters means 3 by 4. This is the match you can do in the textbook. This color, the question number D and E also, you can give the color in textbook. Now we are winding up this session. The next page we will start in the next video.